Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our horizontal planners for the last week of the year. I've got these washi tapes here ready to go, as well as these sticker books which I'll pull from. And this is the last week of the Planable challenge for December, and this week's theme is silver and gold. So if you'd like to participate, go ahead and post your spreads up on Instagram using the hashtag Planable December 2020. We'd love to see what you come up with. So this week's theme, I know, is supposed to be both silver and gold together, but when I tried to add silver to this spread, I just really didn't like it. And I know that it can be done well in the right situations. I've seen people do really pretty mixed metal spreads. I just really don't like the contrasting colors, especially gold and silver, which are like a warm and a cool. If that was, I guess, the only thing I had pulled was just silver and gold stickers, I maybe could have made it work, but I wanted some color. It's the end of the year, and the stickers that I was looking at to use for this year had a lot of pink tones as well, and so that's kind of a warmer tone. So it just, I don't know, the silver just wasn't working for me. So I ended up making this spread focused in on the gold, and then I did almost a similar color palette on my health spread, which you'll see soon, and that one got the silver accents. So this is like the pink, black, and gold accents, and then my health spread is pink, black, and silver accents. So that's the way I'm kind of fudging this theme for you guys, so you can see it in different ways, but not together. And that's just for my own preference. I don't want to not want to look at my spread all week, so it's just the way we're going to make it work, and hopefully you guys will forgive me for kind of fudging it a little bit there on the actual theme. That said, I did do a wax paper ahead of time because, again, I tried that silver. I wanted to see how it was going to look, and I did not like it. So I have everything kind of laid out already, but I am laying things now onto the sheet. I have some quotes and things in here that I wanted to white out the background behind it, that thicker black line, so it wouldn't contrast with the quote and make it kind of hard to read. So I just did that with my Jelly Roll whiteout pen and whited out behind Celebrate. And then I've laid in some washi tape. I have two rolls, one with a thicker pink roll, which I've been cutting in half, just to make it about the same size as the thinner roll I'm using with the black and gold alternating pattern there. That washi tape came from a Wrong washi tape set that I got a while back, and definitely on clearance because I'm not a big fan of Wrong. You guys have heard me say that before, but the Wrong books I'm using primarily for most of the stickers here. I just didn't pull any of the dolls. The dolls are really what I don't tend to gravitate towards. The colors and some of the themes aren't so bad, and this one had a pretty nice New Year's party pink theme that I'm working in here for my last spread of the year. So the Wrong washi tape coordinated really well, and then that other pink washi tape I recently picked up in a pack from Joann's of just kind of pastel tones, and that one worked out great as well. So I've got that, and just kind of cutting it in half made the perfect addition of more color where I wanted it. I'm also laying in right now a few layered stickers here, and the layered sticker there with the gold has a see-through text, and so in order to be able to see the word year, I added in some white out behind it so you could see it kind of come up off of the black background. I also added a few more quotes from the Teacher's Seasonal sticker book in gold, the one that says cozy there on the side, and then a couple other ones, including a Happy New Year that I really liked that I wanted to add in here on the spread. Those are the only things I pulled from that book. I just wanted some more decor style items since a lot of the Wrong stickers weren't really decor-esque. They were more functional stickers for the most part. So I wanted to pull in some more decor through another means and got some quote stickers there from that teacher seasonal sticker book. I'm also using those little strips of pink and black for my checklists, even though I will be also adding in checkboxes. I wanted a little bit more color in these areas, so I just added those in to mark where the checklists are going to go. I pulled those from the mini Wrong seasonal sticker book, and they happen to be just that nice little kind of petite size that works well on a horizontal planner. Next, I'm working in this corner here, and I've whited out the background a bit behind this black quote box because it's actually on a clear sheet, so you can see through it, and I did not want the text to be obscured by that black line there at the top, so just having that sit there so that the whiteout can dry before I lay it down. And I'm also laying in some more whiteout here behind this Happy New Year quote sticker. Again, just so that it pops up off of the page and doesn't have that black thick line behind it interfering with it. And as I'm trying to settle this, I just decided that I didn't like how much it was overlapping on my gold box. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it and move it out of this area and kind of reposition it so that there's a lot less overlap. The gold boxes I got out of the Colorful Boxes sticker book I showed earlier. This is the monthly colorful boxes, so I wanted to cover up that weird little corner that they have on those bigger boxes. And just repositioning now those stickers that I had laid over on it. Just making some adjustments now to the other areas, making everything fit again where I want it to. And I've got these hearts here that are really cute. I just like the little addition of the hearts, again kind of for texture. I've also laid in some gold speckle that was in the Wrong sticker book here and there around the spread. Again, just more for texture, though it's a little bit harder to see in the video because it's so small and fine, but you'll be able to see it when I do the close-up there at the end. I'm also laying in this gold box here at the bottom that I'm going to trim out a little bit of the gold overlap just so that I don't have to try to white it out, just so I can do the layering that I have set out there. I grabbed this gold box because it has a sticker there that says your favorite memory this year, which I thought would be a nice little area to put in just a memory from the year, from 2020. I'm sure it'll have something to do with COVID, but did want to have that little spot there kind of set apart so it would finish off this part of the planner. And I'm doing a few little layering of stickers there with that yay that came out of the teacher sticker book and a few other wrong stickers there as well. So once I figure out if I'm going to use this little black piece, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below and go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!